and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix printers app crashing on Android. Firstly, what you can do is tap on settings. After you tap on settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. Now start typing for Pinterest. Scroll down, tap on Pinterest. After you tap on Pinterest, tap on storage uses. After you tap on storage uses, tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, and this will log you out but won't delete your pin boards. Now what you can do next is you can reinstall the app and install it. Press the Pinterest app and tap on uninstall, and after you uninstall it, tap on Play Store and reinstall it one more time. And if your app is not updated, tap on update button and tap it to get the latest stable version. And after this, what you can do is go to your phone settings. After you go to your phone settings, tap check for updates and install any available Android version. And next you can do is free up storage space and check Pinterest server status. If you still have any questions, comment down below.